Alright, just wanted to do a quick video here. Got the new Astro 205 QL die grinder. Just got it in. Need a die grinder for work. So, quick little unboxing here. Comes with instructions and a warranty card. Comes with wrench. It comes with the tool itself. Oh, it actually feels really nice. And this has the quick one wrench chuck on it, so you can change without having to mess with two wrenches. You hold the back button there, put the front wrench on, and you'll be able to tighten and untighten the chuck. So I'm going to oil this up real quick. We'll throw a sanding disc in there, and we'll do a quick little video. This is just a quick unboxing, first impressions. It's a nice, real nice rubbery plastic feel on the outside. I think this was about 60 bucks. I was really looking for something I could change discs easily, so look at that, can do it by hand. That's really nice. Big fan of Astro. Got their light. Big fan of this light. Figured I'd give them a shot on air tools. So I'll oil this, put a fitting on here, grab a sanding disc, and we'll give it a shot on something. Give me 1 sec. Alright, we're back. So you can see I got my Milwaukee 12-volt die grinder. I really like this for home use. The batteries are awesome. It lasts pretty good. But at work, I need something to run off air. I don't want to buy a whole nother set of batteries for work. And we have shop air that has, you know, a huge compressor, and you don't have to worry about air. So, that's the only reason I'm buying this one. I love this one. But you can see the size difference is actually pretty dramatic. Between the two, there's a much bigger head compared to this, and overall air tool's smaller. But you can see how quick. With the Milwaukee, you have to use two wrenches to take the collet off and loosen it. With this Astro pneumatics one, you only have to use one. So you grab 11/16, and you click it on there, and you hold the back button, and you tighten it and loosen it. So, real quick, loosen, put a bit in, tighten up, hold the button, crank it down. It's nice and tight, ready to go. It comes with this little wrench. I kind of think this is junk. Fits in the regular 11/16 wrench. And you can see it's not too loud, nice and quiet. I have a real small compressor here, so I can't run it a ton without kicking on. But sounds good. This is the quiet version, so it's really not that much louder than the Milwaukee. Like, the Milwaukee's definitely quieter, but this is not ear piercing by any means. It's you can easily use this any time of the day. It really doesn't bother anybody. Like I said, the quick change chuck is what I was looking for. This seems to work great. You know, hold the button, crack it loose, good to go. Take the next one, put it on, and you're done. So that's why I bought this. The quiet is really nice too, because I hate how loud some of these can be. Overall, super impressed with this. It feels good. Like I said, just got it today, so we'll see if I have any issues with it. Astro is supposed to have good warranty. Haven't had to deal with them yet. But you can see, again, this is the Astro 205 QL. That's what that says. Quiet die grinder. Overall, very impressed. Can't wait to use it. Very happy. It was like 50, 60 bucks. Can't beat the price either. So, thrilled. But just wanted to give a quick video. There were no other videos on this on YouTube, so I figured I'd do one. Not a big deal. Any questions, let me know. Appreciate it. Thanks.